Wagwan man, you're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at an episode from ShxtsnGigs, and it's basically the best Twitter Hall of Fames we've ever done. So, you know, the tweets that these guys be getting is wild as hell. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Same thing for ShxtsnGigs. You can go over there, you know what I'm saying, and turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about the video, man. We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys.
So we got some tweets of the week, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Tweets of the week.
I'm not going to lie to you. I don't want to big it up. I've got some funny ones.
All right, safe.
I've got some funny ones. Right, so do you want to go back and forth?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a good one.
You go first.
These guys are killing me.
That's jokes. Right, what one have I got? Okay, I bet we've got some of the similar ones.
Maybe.
Fam, so this
These guys are dying before they
this
even
girl
read it.
said, this girl said, this guy said that he'd curve Rihanna for me. God, why do I attract liars?
I mean,
Hilarious.
Bro.
I mean,
Hilarious.
why would you lie like that?
All right, go.
I want to play with her hair while she's sleeping, but it's on the dresser.
He just wrong for that. That is wrong. Very, very wrong.
Oh, Jesus,
Sicko.
that's funny. Right. Bro, this guy's a savage. Not only did I cheat, me and her laid up in bed laughing at your makeup page on Insta.
Oh, fuck.
No.
That nigga a bitch.
Stay up.
Bro, we stayed up post-nut laughing at your makeup page.
That's so disrespectful, bro.
Cuddle spooning, just giggling.
Oh,
At the makeup.
That's unnecessary.
that's horrible.
That's horrible.
Horrible.
Oh,
Sicko.
wow.
Karma firm.
If we smashing, don't tell me deeper. If I could go deeper, I would. You don't hear me saying tighter. Tighter.
Yo, that's so
Tighter.
funny.
Tighter.
Yo, no,
Make
that's
it
too
tighter.
funny.
Make it tight.
I'm trying to
That shit is funny.
make it tighter.
That is so funny. That's facts, though.
Wow, that's funny. I saw this one, right. Oh, my head's hurting. If you go on a date and the bill's expensive, just chuckle and say, is that it? This place is pretty affordable. No matter how you feel inside, these London women smell fear. Stay safe.
Yo.
Is that it?
No matter how you feel inside.
I
Just
mean,
look at-
just,
yeah,
just,
lie.
Is
lie,
that
lie.
it?
Is that it?
Ah,
Calm.
this
just
is-
pay,
this
bro.
is calm. Yeah, we should come here again.
Yeah, weekly.
That's a
Wow,
weekly.
nah, fam. Oh, that Spenny bill is scary. I hate when they put it in the folder. I don't want to.
Yeah.
And they lock that.
Shopify is great. With TWEEK, it's even better. Here's how.
When they lock that shit up for nobody to see.
Because you don't know what to expect. Start doing mental maths real
Bro,
quick.
oh my
mental
God.
maths real quick. This man DM'd me like, I want to take this girl out. Can you give me some suggestions? I told him where he should go, and he goes, perfect.
That's
what time
perfect.
should I pick you up?
That's perfect. I think that's a good one.
Say less.
Yeah,
That's very smooth.
yeah.
Oh my God, right. This is a little back and forth thing. Sweeted me. Excuse me, miss. Have you ever been arrested? Yeah. How could you tell? I was going to say it's illegal to be that cute, but now I'm curious. Aggravated assault.
Yo. Yo. What's the reply?
No extra sentences. Aggravated assault. Bro.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to know what he said.
Funniest thing. I couldn't believe it.
That girl is funny.
I asked my son, do he know who Frosty the Snowman is? He said Young Jeezy. Shake my head, the spirit of Christmas is dead.
That boy Jeezy do be icy though. Like, where did he get that from? Like, is Jeezy even popping right now for a kid to be saying Young Jeezy?
Oh my God.
Like, what?
Jesus Christ.
Oh.
The spirit of Christmas is
Yeah, that's funny.
flipping out, fam. Spread message. Oh, are you still on your period? She replied, yes. I replied, useless.
Yo, how are niggas that disrespectful? How? Like,
None of them don't care sometimes.
don't give a
Fam,
fuck.
had
He was
enough of
probably
it.
in the mood.
I kiss my woman on the forehead while she's sleeping before I leave to work every morning. And the one day I rushed out the house running late without doing so, I get a text saying, "I guess love don't live here no more."
Yeah, some girls be extra, bro.
Women are spiteful.
Extra.
Fam.
I guess love don't live here no more.
Look at Uncle One forehead kiss. Unnecessary.
Wow.
Bro, it's too funny. That's absolutely too funny.
I've got a few more if you haven't got any.
I've got a few more.
Okay, hit me.
Bro, females be like, my man, my man, my man. Yo, your man just came and picked up my friend. Bro. Bro.
Oh, that's tough.
Fucking horrible. Right. This is a group chat thing and it's dread.
Okay.
Go put in, oh my God. They replied, yeah, I told you. Laughing face and crying emoji. Different, huh? He looks like he's got a great personality.
Laughing face, crying emoji. Yeah, I told you so.
Fam, yeah, I told you. She said, oh my God. Reply,
I'm confused.
Yeah, I told you. Different, huh? Reply, he looks like he's got a great personality, buddy.
Buddy.
He looks like he's got a great personality, buddy. He's hideous. He's hideous.
The group chat is just
Yeah.
Vile.
Girls
bro.
are wicked still.
Wow.
Fuck's sake, man.
Tell Beth Merry Christmas for us. Reply. She doesn't celebrate Christmas. Oh, I forgot. Laugh out loud. Reply. Yeah, she's a Jehovah's Witness. Yeah, I know. Tell her we said knock knock then.
No, that shit was funny. That shit was funny.
Knock.
Yo,
That's
they
dread.
love that shit.
I remember growing up.
They
someone told
love
me Jehovah's
knocking the
Witnesses don't
fuck off
celebrate
your
birthdays.
doors.
Is that true?
I have no idea. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea.
Does someone know in
Does
this room
anyone know?
know? No one knows? Does anyone know any Jehovah's Witnesses?
Yo, that
Say
is
less.
funny.
I might have to
Not
Google it, bro. I might be wrong. Someone told me. I remember I went to school with a girl called Hannah. She didn't celebrate her birthday once. I was like, that's not even funny. You can't tell me that's You put in do and then J. All it is Jehovah's Witnesses do this, do they do that?
Do they do this?
Everyone's curious about this. Celebrate any the fact
Do they celebrate anything?
Yo, I'm dead. Yo, why they doing the Jehovah's like that, man? Like, now I'm curious to see if they do celebrate that shit. Google's a wicked place still.
Wow.
And the shit that pops up when you just type
whoever
1-2 letters.
searched that is a savage, bro. Do Jehovah's Witnesses celebrate anything?
Peak.
Why don't Jehovah's Witnesses celebrate birthdays, bro?
Mad.
That's dread, man.
That is
I mean, I don't really care.
That is dread.
That's fucking funny, right? Is that it?
That's crazy.
Oh, right.
Some of those were so funny, but that Jehovah's Witness knock knock one, that shit took me out. Guys, don't forget to hit that sub button and like button. I'll see you guys later. Appreciate you for watching.